In this video, we'll go over the 2025 AP Computer Science site FRQ 4B. Write the clearPair method, which takes a valid row index and valid column index as its parameters. The array element specified by those indices, which has a value between 1 and 9 inclusive, is compared to other array elements in puzzle in an attempt to pair it with another array element that meets both of the following conditions. The row index of the second element is greater than or equal to the parameter row. The two elements have equal values, or have values that sum to 10. If such an array element is found, both array elements of the pair are cleared, set to 0, and the method returns true. If more than one such array element is found, any one of these identified array elements can be used to complete the pair and can be cleared. If no such array element is found, no changes are made to the puzzle, and the method returns false. Like always, we'll jump right into the code. Let's start out with giving ourselves a variable representing the element we compare to the other elements. So, in E1 equals puzzle subrow subcall. Next, we're going to do a bit of a tricky thing. Based on the problem statement, we will at one point end up going over the element we are comparing the other elements to. Obviously, we don't want that to happen because that element will equal itself, and then the only element we will clear out is a given element, not a pair of elements. So, my trick is, right now set the given element to -1, and then at the end we'll put it back. Since -1 can't equal the numbers 1 through 9, and it can't sum with another number to equal 10, the code will just implicitly pass over this element. So, puzzle subrow subcall equals -1. Next, we'll set up the loop. For in I equals row I less than puzzle.length I++, for the inner loop, we will do for int j equals 0, j less than puzzle sub 0 dot length j++. Inside the inner loop, let's get the current element. So, in cur equals puzzle sub I sub j. If E1 equals the current element or sums to 10 along with the current element, so if E1 equals cur or E1 plus cur equals 10, then we'll do stuff. If we're inside this condition, we found two pairs that match, so set the current location we're at to 0 and set the original location to 0. So, puzzle sub I sub j equals 0, and puzzle sub row subcall equals 0. Finally, we return true because it's true that we have found and cleared a pair. On the outside of both loops, we would only reach here if we found no pairs, so we want to do two things here. First, let's reset the dummy value we set at the start. So, puzzle subrow subcall equals E1. Last, we return false because we found no pairs to clear. Like and subscribe to learn more.